Hey guys, today's video is a messy house after dark clean with me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sarah and I do lifestyle videos that cover decorating, cleaning, and ways to organize your home. If that interests you, please hit that red subscribe button and become a part of our family. So without further ado, let's get this messy house cleaned.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs.
This is the state of my home late on a Sunday night after a very busy weekend. It was about 10:45 at night and the last thing I wanted to do was clean this crazy mess up. But my determination was greater, so I put my hair up and changed into my ugly house shoes and started to tackle the mess.
Wait now. I'm on my way 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 now.
This is my first video featuring my new rug and sofa from Wayfair. We are currently doing a few new things in our living room and kitchen and trying to get it to a state where we like it. So make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell on so you don't miss out on those future videos that feature a kitchen and living room reveal. The befores and afters will shock you. In this dining area, I'm wanting to make it a little more inviting by painting the table white and getting a round rug underneath. But with a 3 and 1 year old, these kinds of tasks tend to be a little bit more slow moving. But I am very determined to get there. I do want to say that this is probably as bad as my kitchen has ever gotten. Most of the cleanup is just putting things where they belong and then taking items downstairs that are trash.
Can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start
like to run my dishwasher only when it's full, but tonight I had an overage of dishes and there were items that I had to wash by hand. But again, I was not going to leave any task undone. I'm opening a new bag of coffee beans from Costco here. I'm fairly new to shopping at Costco and I'm learning what items are the best deals and then what items are worth buying. So let me know in the comments below, what are your go-to items that you like to buy at Costco, because I just need to know and I need your help.
The dance goes on. I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. All night long, we got it going.
I use Method products for my granite countertops and also for my stovetop. They are non-toxic and they smell amazing.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one.
So in these next few clips, you're going to see a lot of my hot pink house shoes. I have to wear these often because walking on hardwood floors all day messes up my high arches and gives me plantar fasciitis. So to prevent it and treat it, I have to make a conscious effort and wear supportive shoes all day long. So don't send any hate my way.
I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do.
So I will be completely honest and admit that I do not mop every day, but after cleaning the floors this night, I think I'm going to change that habit. The color of this Swiffer mopping pad was very shocking.
Wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you.
And here is the payoff pitch, guys. My clean house after a long night of cleaning. It is so worth it when you wake up early the next morning with the kids and see that there's no cleaning to be done. Just a smooth morning with the family. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you're alerted of upcoming motivation here on my channel. And make sure to like this video and share it to encourage those women around you too. All of my social media accounts are in the description box, so go over there and see what we're up to on a daily basis. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection.